Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, it's your girl Swaggy, and today I am going to join my husband Errol. We are going exercise. No, bend a little bit cause I'm too short.
No,
yeah, man. We are gonna exercise.
Yeah, Swaggy gain some kilos, you know?
Yeah, so but still I am grateful that you're not shy to tell me that. So thanks anyway for the truth. Yeah, but you know how we men we say like maybe I only see that, but like
Yeah, me I gotta tell you, Swaggy, let's go.
Yeah, I need some exercise cause I'm getting fat.
I'm gonna tell you need some you
getting fat. Yeah, too much free time, too much food, and kids. I'm glad kids they at school so I can start full fitness program with Errol.
Yes.
Errol will be my coach. So we're gonna exercise on the regular because this michi exercise I have to stop. Yeah, because like I'm telling you guys, sometimes I'm just like one day I exercise, next day I like no not today, next day, and then next day comes and I have something to do and me just dash around my body and say me I go be another housewife, but we need to fix my body, especially my belly area. Now look ready. Yeah man, we'll go and exercise, work on it. Yeah, get good shape. Yeah. So yesterday I was like, I saw little changes and I said, I'm gonna get pregnant.
What?
I'm gonna get pregnant, so you don't see it like my fat. You just see a belly. Oh, she's pregnant. Here. But trust me guys, but even after when you give birth, you're going to end up with the olive fat. So you have to exercise.
That's the boy you want that.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm afraid to get pregnant. I am afraid because I'm afraid to end up with the stretch marks, stretch out belly, stretch out everything.
And you look, so I'm not in life for somebody to give birth to 2 kids, no. But,
yeah, because
she have them young, that's why.
Yeah.
You see, if you have kids now, you have to your body will change.
I'm afraid.
Because you're not grow again. As in, you're not change, you're change when you was,
you put the garbage outside?
Yeah, but
Alright.
When you're 19 and then 21, you get a change, so your body just change with the pregnancy.
Yeah.
You know no more change right now, so when you go get pregnant, you go just...
That's my biggest fear to gain a lot and to end up with the stretch out body.
You need to...
After you reflect in the mirror now. So what you need, people saw it.
I check myself,
When you reflect.
Okay. Yeah, see?
Yeah guys, so
somebody will now play sports again.
Time to spend time. Or work by yourself. Together, yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Don't dodge it either. You could just do it like Monday to Wednesday. Consistently. You 3 days of the week now kill you. And go do it together. And like kids them the home there, so I'm gonna see with them. You know? But now that we're alone, we could just
man.
Work. In a work. Yeah man, I was good. And teamwork, you don't know the thing right.
Yeah, honestly guys, to be honest, I do not overeat. I do not eat in the night. I sleep in the night because I know some people eat in the night. But when evening comes, I start to reduce the amount of food I consume. So I mostly eat breakfast, good breakfast. And then lunch, I already start to reduce the amount of food. And dinner, I eat even less. But I still I get fat, you see?
Because you work for cake.
Yeah, but my weakness.
And you not tell them.
But my weakness. Them little sweet stuff here. So me try my best. Leave my chocolate and
them stuff there myself. And the community eat kind of the same. But yeah. Me watch a youth. That's low and still.
Yeah, but still. But then again, you eat a lot of bread. I don't eat a lot of bread.
No, I eat a lot of bread.
You eat patty between bread. I eat patty between bread.
Yeah, but me choose.
And them they call corn bread. I eat them something.
I choose when I do it because when I eat that, I know I'm going to run a 10k the next day and run after that plus tax.
Alright
Yeah,
then.
you need to join me, that's what I'm going to say.
Because me no know honestly, like me need somebody to record me, so I look at myself from you know another person view.
Yeah.
So I see yeah, for real, me eat enough.
Ah.
Because I assume I don't eat a lot. But that's what happens to all the people who gain weight. They always say like, yo, me no eat a lot, you know.
Yeah.
I'm gain, watch out, I'm fat, look I'm fat, but me no eat a lot, you know.
I'm saying another food.
But
To
I
me,
eat, I
the
eat.
type of food where you eat.
Yeah, that too.
You cook breakfast, me probably the same breakfast. Probably same lunch, same dinner, but the things that we may not have the same hour. Cheesecake, chocolate, sweets, ice cream. And then something to carry them on the fat, you know.
Yeah, but lucky you never grow up on it, so I grew up on it, so it's hard for me. It's like a habit, everyday habit. Yeah.
Yeah, so you have to step up the game. And as I said, if you work out, you can eat them stuff there. Because you're not trained for it.
Yeah.
But at least when you work out, you burn it off back, but you just
Alright, let's do it. Let's kill the fat cells them.
Yes, we got Swaggy here. We're going to bring her down to 50 kilograms. She's at she's at around 57. Normally she's 55, but with hard work, our aim is to be
55 kilograms.
Yeah, we need to show the scale.
We need to go down at least 50 kilograms.
Let's see if we can do it.
Yeah, the 50 kilograms, perfection.
So you motivated to do it?
Yeah, motivated.
Alright, so remember when you go inside, you go record and show. Go up on the scale and I'll show your weight.
Yeah.
And let's see if we can get come down.
Yeah.
Let's see if you can put your money where your mouth is. Bet me. How much you bet me? No, bet me. Bet me till March or April. I get 2 months.
Oh, well, alright. But I'm not promising you 5 kilograms in a month.
That's what I get 2 months.
At least 2 kilograms a month.
No, you're there 50. When you go in, think you're on 55. We are go 50. I mean, I get 2 months to
get
go.
rid of my double chin.
That great double chin of yours.
Yeah.
Alright, keep going. So I get ready. So you're such a marshal from the
I am
gym.
not going back.
You have to go back.
I'm going back.
Nothing can help
I'm
you.
tired.
I just go to the first day, so it always good.
Guys, I told you that I don't know what makes me fat. I don't know what makes me fat. What makes me fat? I don't know. It's almost 9 o'clock in the evening. I don't know what makes me fat. I have no idea.
9 o'clock in the night.
I don't know. I eat a little bit. I reduce my food when it's
You eat more food
close
than
to
you eat. One day I can go report to eat more that way.
That's how we reduce the food. Is that it?
Good, so you eat more food. You can go report. I can't eat it much. But enjoy.
I cannot believe we are doing that.
Nobody can say no to breakfast. That's just.
We put some salt on it.
Don't put salt on you.
Breadfruit
Nobody
for
can
the youth.
Nobody can say no to breakfast.
Breadfruit for the youth.
Okay. Oh,
But we don't have nothing to eat it with. Just a breadfruit.
I need that.
We eat it with salt. Ooh. A time so we share.
No, that's weird.
Me and you
We don't do this up now. Nobody take more.
need to share this.
No.
We just get that little taste. You want breadfruit?
Then
Leah?
you broke it.
Leah?
That's one
Breadfruit?
Please come out to the kitchen.
And breadfruit, Leah?
Oh,
Daniel, leave Leah alone. Where my piece there? Nearly lose it.
I'm gonna beat you. It's not funny anymore. My turn.
Afraid to break my
yeah, you
breast.
have no bases. Go eat them.
No, mad.
Yeah, you have no bases. Eat them, please.
Okay.
Remember them say you can't eat anything on my braces.
Okay.
Watch this stand
Use me that remember that's what coming up. I can't never understand, you never hear. You can't eat bread food on my braces.
You can't eat bread food on my breasts. What do you mean?
Doctor say that.
I can do that.
You know how
Internationally.
like a dragon.
That's no count.
Is it called sorry?
Bread food. Cute.
Remember, the doctor say no bread food per braces.
Ma'am, I'm gonna leave it for. I'm gonna put some. Listen, I'll put some pieces so breadfruit will get soft, and then I will attack them. Cause for real, now it's kind of rough. Guys, just fry up, just fresh out of the pan. So come on, wait a little bit. So when it will get soft, but not go good. I just need to go sleep and to start thinking about food. Guys, as I told you already, Zoom classes still are going, and they have Zoom classes on Tuesday and Friday. And mostly Errol spends time with boys. Errol helps the boys to concentrate. Well, Leo, my big son, he doesn't really need a lot of help because he can sort him out himself. And Daniel, then is a person who really needs somebody to control him and to sit by him here. So that's what Errol today did, and Errol was so mad because like before I used to sit with Daniel, and Errol used to tell me like Swaggy, used to say Swaggy, we're complaining. It's like it's even less a job with Daniel than with Leo, but like now he's doing it with Daniel, so he sees with him own eyes. Daniel needs a lot of counseling. Yeah, and what else? Today, like I told you guys, Errol got mad because Daniel didn't know a lot of things. And see, Errol just emptied the toy, whatever it is, toy basket, plastic container, left one little toy in there. Yeah, but it was full before. Yeah, so guys, Errol said no more toys for the kids. Errol mad, like I'm telling you guys, Errol is mad. What are you saying, Errol?
Say the kids now are in military camp. No toys, no TV until they can read, until they catch up in a school. Free time didn't do them no justice. They're way behind, and you're done in their school and say you want to play. And things the life is up. Don't get too much free time, yo. It's like you never realize the school more important than playing. So I don't know if you're gonna get him for things says put him under martial law.
I agree with you.
So he's lock up all the time, not even you tell them there.
Alright.
So you can't give him the phone, I had the phone. Sorry for them.
Guys, we're in the barber shop. Look Daniel, look at Daniel's face. Guys, we just done trimming the boys, and you know, thing is lawn, it takes lawn. This just so annoying for me as a woman, but you know guys, they have a look, watch out, them have a club there. On the third floor. Yeah, man. People are out and about. And where I am going, I'm going to the Circle K. Don't know foreign things in Jamaica. I mean, I can't them. Wait, look up the lights. Here. I mean, I hunt them down.
Daddy, did the spider
So let's see if they close. If they close,
Daddy,
we'll
Daddy,
go. But if they open, we'll go.
Oh,
So, where the Circle K there? Alright. Cyril, a Circle K. That's a Circle K. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, guys. So we're gonna check it out. See, guys. Them teens love Danny love the most. Alright, come.
That was ice cream.
Yeah, guys. So I came here for the sushi. Where them fancy sushi machine? Yeah, that's what I wanted.
I serve you.
Huh?
Your cash and I serve you.
Oh,
Your cash over there.
so it's a one size, right?
Yeah.
Oh, so how much for the one?
250.
250, and you go fill it with the flavor you love.
Yes.
Alright, any flavor. Alright, nice. So that frozen coffee? Or seem like a... Oh, sachets, everything, sachets. Alright, nice.
These ones are for 300 though.
Oh, so that's an ice cream machine. How much for the ice
We
cream?
don't have any ice cream now.
Oh.
It's 300.
Alright. So no hot dogs too? Alright then. I guess drinking sushi today. Watch you guys. What that? Some nice Danish pastries. Apple flavor. Watch out.
What you got?
Foreign stuff.
No, I didn't.
Like Medea Russia.
I just-
Nice. Here, I'm gonna go check it out. A dog. The dog there.
Whoa!
It's a sorrel. Jamaican flavor.
I need to go inside the cup's
Yeah.
house.
Carol is not excited. I'm excited. Now guys, when I went to Russia, I said I cannot come back without it because growing up, I used to love draw on the road, but with those, but I couldn't find it in Jamaica. Well, the arrow said Jamaica, you can find it in Jamaica, right?
Anywhere. Any pharmacy. Any.
Colored one?
Yeah, no, pick.
No, only saw like white ones,
Oh.
but not colored ones. So I said to myself, I'm gonna take it with me. Come, yeah, and Leo loves. How you call it in Jamaica?
Shark.
Huh?
Shark.
Shark?
What do you call it now, Russia?
Shark. Milky, yeah. Well, Jamaican call it shark. Here, so look at so guys. Look at so guys. Leo colored all the driveway. wait. Look. Careful. See guys, we have them something all over our driveway. And them ants, them a build them local, world. Yeah. Leo, look, they're moving it. See how they're strong?
Yeah, because it's a bee.
The ants are move it.
Yeah,
There's some dead insect. They're moving dead insect somewhere. Watch out, them strong. Eh? Look, I'll draw your name in Russian. See? This is your name in Russian. See? This is your name in Russian. Leo. What are you drawing?
My name.
Your name. Yeah. So you're writing it in English.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
What's my name again?
Huh?
What is my name?
Lionel.
Lionel.
O
O
L-I-O
L.   L.   I.  。
O
O. 。
N.
N. 。
N. E. L. Yeah, good job, Lionel.
Stevens.
You're gonna write your surname.
Yeah.
Good job, high five. Yeah, Leo can write. So guys, for the weekend, Danielle teacher gave parents homework. So they learn about part of the plants. So they want parents to do some project. So child can learn about part of the plants here. What calls what? Yeah. So Errol said, I'm not doing a project. I'm not going to sit down and cut no plant parts. He went outside and he said, Daniel, look at this plant. So he found a plant in our yard. And he was just teaching Danny just now. Yeah man, real life experience also always better than, whatever plus. Yeah, trust me, we already stressed out with the Zoom calls, so the project come like double work, I cannot say it's unnecessary to do them, alright? I'm not saying that, but it just stress parents out, honestly. Cause every project come like your responsibility if you do, cause Danny can't even cut wood, so when they always say project, we always know our parents job to do them something. Yeah, that's how it always goes. So just a laugh of what I'll say. Go and teach him pan a real, plant. What is what? That is so funny. Okay guys, Errol method. Unique.
Come here, Danny. I can teach you. What is this? Flowers, yeah. Teacher give you homework and teacher say must do a lot of stuff, but I'm teaching you natural. Yeah? This is what? Yeah, natural something. What is this, Leah?
Real life experience.
What is this in Daddy's hand?
I don't remember that.
Look in your hand.
Daniel.
It's a flower.
Flower?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Look at that black something.
Oh, nothing else. Maybe the sun just burn it. Alright, look, Danny, what is this on the tree? It's a stem.
Stem.
Yeah, it's called a stem.
It used to hold something.
Yeah.
Oh, that says stem.
Stem, yes. S-T-E-M. What is this, Daniel?
Wheat.
Yeah, this is a leaf.
C-E-O.
Yeah, S-P-E-M. Stem. And this is a leaf.
Leaf.
Leaf
Leaf.
L-E-A-F. L-E-A-F. Leaf.
L-E-E-F.
L-E-A-F. A-F. Leaf. And one more thing that's on the tree is the root, but I cannot see it. The root is in the ground. What's that?
Plant.
Leaf.
Good job.
Put something else and tell me what it is. What's that?
Flower.
Flower. And what else is on the plant? What's that? No, me just tell us this.
Leaf.
Stem.
Stem. I want some Skittles.
You eat your Skittles.
Hey.
Eat your chocolate. Oh.
Danny has no manners. No, I think you got too much. It's even coming out at you.
Yes, a dribble, don't keep it away. Yes, look at
Let me
that.
see it.
Look at it again. Ah!
What's that? Ball!
Guys, Amida drinking my green tea. Yeah. I know it's hot in Jamaica, but I am European. Sorry, I have to drink tea. Yeah, Errol, he does not like tea. Oh man, I got tea all for myself. Errol, you want some green tea?
No, I still ain't green tea. I drink.
And guys, I'm gonna tell you the truth that this me now with the tea. Alright, so I did the other day try to lose weight, so let us see how much in this apple Danish calories. So we can say officially me will never lose no weight because me love it too much. So when you see the calories like the I know calories 250 calories per serving. How much serving size? Two servings. So it's like our 500. I have to say 500 here. No, so you want to say me just now 500. I can't believe this can't be. It was kind of huge though. That's what I was wondering. But it can't be like me. I eat just now 500 calories. No, don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. This shit is tricky, you know. It's tricky. You see, per container, 2 per container. I guess this is a pack, like per pack 2. But just now 500 calories. Guys, as you see, I've been running for 15 minutes and a half, and I only burned 205 calories. It equals the amount of calories in one chocolate bar, and how hard you have to work it out. Oh my god, I'm so stressed out. That's a lot of work, and you don't really burn that much. So you see how it is. It is important to eat good, so you don't have to lose too much calories. Spend a lot of time in the gym running like that. So every time I eat a piece of cake, oh sorry for my breath guys, but I've been running hard, so I do punish myself and give myself extra 10 minutes on the treadmill or this machine. I don't know how it calls, but today I'm gonna go to burn 300 calories because I had a piece of cake lately, so that's my punishment. I'm still pushing. So easy. Guys, local update on my garden. So I have some things to show you. So Russian pepper came out. Look guys, so these are the pepper I brought from Russia, and it's ready, so I can just pick it up. They don't grow big, so that is how they look. They like that here. So what I'll do, I'll just name it with cream cheese on it, and I'm gonna take it out. See there, it's ready. It smells so good. This thing smells good, so I'm just gonna eat it. I'm so happy because I'm gonna use to them something my grow on me. I can officially call myself a gardener now. Yeah, so I'm just eat the pepper, and here the seeds are planted. Cannot focus? Oh gone, focus now. Focus now. Here, so seeds, I'm gonna plant them back, so I will have continuously pepper. Yep.